Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn Intermediate 1B Maths, Chapter number 2, Transformation of Axis, Exercise number 1, Question number 5. The point to which the origin is shifted and the transformed equation are given below. Find the original equation. In this he given the transformed equation. We have to find the original equation and the origin also given. So very simple question. Now we will solve this question. So he was saying that it is given transformed equation. So changed equation he given. So that is nothing but, so given f of x dash comma y dash, that is equal to x square plus y square is equal to 4, and shifted origin given. Origin is shifted that is O dash h comma k, that is equal to 3 comma minus 4. So now what is asking? We have to find the original equation. Original equation. Okay. So very simple. That is f of x comma y we have to find. So this is how much. So we know that x is equal to x dash plus h, y is equal to y dash plus k. So here x is equal to x dash, h value is nothing but 3 here, substitute. Y is equal to y dash plus k value is nothing but minus 4. So now we bring this 3 to left side. What happens? Just you see, x minus 3, that is equal to x dash. Okay, x dash is equal to x minus 3. Similarly here, y is equal to y dash, plus into minus is minus 4. So bring it to left side, that is y plus 4, that is equal to y dash. So y dash is nothing but y plus 4, x dash is nothing but x minus 3. So you have to substitute here. Okay, f of x dash comma y dash, that is equal to x square plus y square equal to 4. So now here substitute. What is the value of x dash? X minus 3. What is the value of y dash? Y plus 4. That is nothing but x minus 3 whole square y plus 4 whole square, that is equal to 4. Okay, now here it is looking like a minus b whole square, it is looking like a plus b whole square. Expand both. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So it is a plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now here this is x square, plus into minus is minus, 2 into x is 2x, 2x into 3 is nothing but 6 times x. 3 square is nothing but 9 here, and this is y square. So plus into plus is nothing but plus. 2 4s are 8. 8 into y is nothing but 8y, and here is 16, that is equal to 4. So now you bring this 4 to left side. So x square here plus y square minus 6 times x plus 8 times y plus 9 plus 16 is nothing but 25, plus 4 is coming to left side, it becomes minus 4. So now here x square plus y square minus 6 times x plus 8y, 25 minus 4 is nothing but 21, equal to 0. So this is a required original equation. So this is nothing but f of x comma y.